Why should your agency prioritize web accessibility? By aligning with web accessibility standards, websites not only meet legal compliance but also enhance usability for everyone, making the web more inclusive and user-friendly for all. Here are 4 reasons why web accessibility should be a priority for your agency. Number 1, clients expect compliance. Your clients are relying on you to help them stay compliant with laws like the ADA, AODA, and EAA. Number 2, avoid risk for you and your clients. Non-compliance can result in lawsuits, settlements, and reputational damage for both you and your clients. Number 3, competitive advantage. Offering accessibility makes your agency stand out as an expert in an increasingly important area. Number 4, build trust with big clients. Many large organizations and government contracts require websites to meet accessibility standards. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.